Motoscades and Coffee.
Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Andy from motoscades&coffee. I just got done with a 1,000-mile iron butt challenge. I did 1,000 miles in 18 hours. I did a total of a 1,200-mile day in about 20-some odd hours. I'm going to tell you what you need and what you don't need, the mods that you must have and the mods that you really don't need for your trip on a 1,000-mile butt buster journey. A lot of things I think I can personally say that really what you do need and what you don't need. So let me get right into it. I'll show you some of the ones that I really recommend. Some of them you can get directly from Royal Enfield, and that's absolutely what I'd recommend and the way to go. Other things they just don't make yet, and you're just going to have to source them otherwise. Headlight. Yes, you'll need a high intensity headlight, LED. This one I got on eBay. It's just a 7-inch round LED. I think I googled 7-inch round LED and they came up for Jeeps. It worked fantastic. So you need one of those. They're about 45 bucks. Windshield. Let me get into the stuff you need first, and then I'll tell you what you don't need. Okay. Number 2. You're going to need a comfort seat. The stock seat, they're great and squishy, but they just really can't cut it for a super long distance, I'll say. So I have a Seat Concepts. I made a vlog on that. You can look. It's a Seat Concepts tall comfort seat, and I bought it's like an Air Hawk air cushion. Some people like it, some people don't. It was $35 on eBay. You blow it up with air, hand pump or water, but I used air, and it did, I think, do the job, and it really was really nice. Seat Concepts, I think, was $120, $140. You have to modify it yourself, so you need those two. Let's see what else. Okay. Whoops. Absolutely what you need. You need some sort of charging system. I think I bought a 4.8 amp charging system. The bike came with a 1 amp charging system. I don't know if Hitchcock's or someone else sells this one. It's an okay mount, but you need a charging system that can handle the juice that you need. 4.8 amps. I think I had like 35 bucks on eBay. You'll need some sort of phone mount. If you have an iPhone 10 or above, you'll need an anti-vibration unit. I forget, this is SP Connect, makes an anti-vibration unit. This whole thing was about $116, and the iPhone snaps right into there. You will need some storage. I think the best storage that you can get, I love the Royal Enfield panniers. A lot of room. They are made for the bike. They look great. I can't remember what they cost, but I recommend the Royal Enfield panniers. All right, a little subjective now, but that's absolutely what you need. I'll tell you some things that I think you're going to want now. Obviously, some different charge holders, like I said, phone holder or GPS. I have some in my camera. I have extra fuel cans. I bought them from SRC Moto. I think they're about $100 a piece, fully mounted. Obviously, I painted them. You can see my vlogs. This gave me some ability to go push my range to the max. I was averaging 40 miles per gallon at 70 miles per hour. That was a blast on the highway. The slower you go in this, between 40 and 60 miles per hour, you can actually knock out 50 to 70 miles a gallon. But if you push it and you're maxing the RPM at 5,000 at 70 miles an hour, you're going to get 40 miles a gallon, especially loaded up. So that gives you a range. Theoretically, you have a 3.9 gallon tank. I was doing 3.5 just to be on the safe side. 3.5 is 120, 140. 140 miles max range at 70 miles an hour. I would stop at 120 or 130 miles just to fill up, be safe. But the extra fuel allowed me to push that. Another thing that the extra fuel does, it blocks all those bugs in the wind. It worked really great, so that's fantastic. I have upgraded tires. You don't need upgraded tires for the touring. I had a tall windshield, but I went with a smaller one and just a deflector. You don't need it for the 1,000 miles. That's just your preference. Obviously I have a holder there for my Easy Pass. Bars. I have Royal Enfield bars. I absolutely think it borders on necessary to wanted. The Royal Enfield aftermarket bars, regardless of what bars you use, you're going to want hand deflectors. It really makes a difference. Royal Enfield deflectors, and if you use the stock handlebars, I recommend those wind deflectors for sure. I have a 1-inch riser and some Ori grips. They're amazing. I would border on absolutely necessary for different grips. Keep the vibration out. The aluminum handlebars keeps the vibration down. I can tell you that. It does, and that makes a big difference on the 1,000-mile journey. The mirrors, I don't think you need to upgrade. People say buy the off-road mirrors, the dual bending mirrors. I don't think you need them, but you can if you want. If there's anything else that I can think of, I will let you know, but not a whole bunch that's needed. But there's some things that you need, and anything else I don't think you need. Okay, that's a quick video. Hopefully you liked it. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on my other videos. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your Himalayan.